Wala nakakandol na mo. Then, for 2 years ba to? 2 years kung under ni mo, or I mean, 3 years, sa Takwan, sa Selective 4. I've learned so much, ma'am, and I know you've been a part of my relationship sa akong mga issues, kay Chika, kay Cam. But then, it's been really fun having you as my teacher. Thank you so much, ma'am. You've come into our life, not just as a teacher, but someone who has imbued some values. Then I've learned a lot, not just the lessons, the grammar, but katong mga, lessons na murag kanang dili siya giingon jud verbally but implied. Then you've been somehow my inspiration, and wish you all the best, and hope magka-kids na mo. Okay, murag ko siguro may kids na mo. Then happy married life, and thank you.
First of all, I wanna say happy birthday, Miss, and I wish you all the best, and I hope that mag-grant na tanan nimong wish. And for the short time that nahimo ka na akong teacher, it was the time that I was blessed because you're one of my favorite teacher, and we as Kimsey students love you so much. And I hope that in this time that you will celebrate your birthday, and even though that we're not there, or in a place that you need help, and Kimsey students are always here to welcome you and help you. And then short message that coming from me, I wish that even though the times that mawa na mag-aisa kay mag-graduate na meeting or asa kay mo kang Ginoo, I hope that continue lang gyud atong friendship, then dito magkalintanan, and always be happy, and don't worry, God will always shower blessings and for you to become a good teacher, a better person in the future. Thank you, Miss, and we love you.
Hi, Miss. Birthday daw ni mo? Sure, ito, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am. So, ano hawak ka? Ito, karang balita na mo nga, yung late daw ka sa Davao na, so, kuhan lang, kinang advance sa new chapter sa life, and kuhan, ma'am, karang thank you sa tanan, then bisan pabadlaw mo sa una, wala gihapon, mawala gihapon. Thank you sa tanan na mong nakatunan niya, tanan ni mong gihatag diri na mo niya. So far, ikaw ang mong nasuod maayo nga maestra sa ESOL. So, thankful sa mi, ma'am, nga imo mi na estudyante mi nimo. So, hi, ma'am. Happy birthday. God bless. So,
uy! Joke! Kung ano sa commercial, hi, Miss! Kaduha na to, redundant. Happy birthday, Miss! Hindi kayo speechless, Jud ko. Birthday na din mo. Pila ni mo edad, Miss? Wish day na ko ni mo, Miss, nga kuan, nga na kay baby, in time, then, kuan, good health, nga, mo dyan na for me, sa na birthday, ba, Miss? Yeah, what is siya? Happy birthday, Miss, then, more blessings to come sa imong husband and for you also, and for your incoming baby, or kung or sa imong mga anak, then, ang yung mga lipang ponder sa among mga lessons, mga ka-birth na to kay kanang imo sad ikuan share sad sa imong mga anak in the future. Then thank you, Miss, we miss you, and happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Lopez. First of all, I would like to congratulate to greet you, happy birthday. Lamang lapot na sa kalendar, but anyway, you're too beautiful. And I want to thank you kay mo ka na mo close friends others. And to me, I don't know, but not that close. But still, I would like to thank you, and you're such a good teacher, and you're such a good model to us. And may sa imuhang future karon, you'll also be successful with your family. I know you move into a different place and you have your plans and goals in life. And I want na you will be successful and be happy. Once again, happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday. I miss you so much. Thank you for the memories you shared sa classes. You inspired me. You touched my life. Not also me, but also my classmates. And thank you for everything. Shock ko, wala na dahil ka diri, wala man lang ka nag-tell na mo, mahawa na dahil ka. Siguro, i-planning mo kay basig, ungan ba ka, char. Ito, Miss thank you, kung sa yung mission, ito, imuha ko nga, wala, hindi ko may term-based joke. Ito, thank you, Miss, then I hope happy ka, then life girl, then happy birthday! I hope I wish everything. Then, sana magka-baby na ka. Then, happy na pa rin ninang. Joke lang. Miss, I miss you. I love you. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am. And, gauwa na siya og pero hindi. Amo dyan na ikuha ni Shirley. Kaya para lang sa imo ha. Ma'am, kanang wish all the best and family. Kanang unta, makaanak na mo sa iyong husband, then kanang salamat kay kanang isa ka sa mga teachers na na-under ko ni mo, then happy ko kay isa ka to nila, then daghan siya kung nakatunan ni mo, sa bulyagon ka mi, na-adjud ka permit sa amo, na makichika din ka, mar ikaw ang lahi sa kanang teacher nga na ilhan or ikaw ang lahi kay nakibandyo ka na mo sa kuan siging tanon kayo ka okay ra kay kuan happy ka always then salamat sa imong knowledge nga imong i-share sa mo and di ka na makakalimutan miss you ma'am at sana kanang kung makita man galing ta puhon o talag chance na I hope nga ma-orange Japon ka simple tagad ka na mo. Then, maara to. Happy birthday. Hi, Miss! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss. Lagutan lagi na ako ni Shirley, Miss. Ang una na ako na video kay cute, nagiguba. But anyway, so happy birthday, Ma'am Lopez. Thank you so much kaya naging teacher ka namin. Ang daya mo kasi iniwan mo kami nang hindi nagpapaalam. Pero okay lang. Lampas na daw kalendaryo na sila Shirley. Pero okay lang, di naman halata. Happy birthday, Miss. We love you so much and we miss you. Hi, Miss Lopez. Lain na ni mo. Nanangid. Kung ka nanangid na nilakaw ka. But anyway, if saan ka masaya, ika nga, suportaan ka na mo, diha man dyan ka na happy. Salamat nga, before you left us, kay nakagilive nga memory ba nga, something siya nga, pwede ni mo i-treasure din. Thank you kaayo, Miss, sa na ikaw ray teacher, nga maminaw ka, kanang mag-apil-apil ka sa personalized na mo din. Dili siya something irritating for something siya nga kanang nindot siya sa feeling kay teacher gud ka din student sa minimo pero imo minggi wala minimo giisip nga lahi mar imo rin sad mi nga let's say gihimo pud minimo family and we also feel the same way that you do said ma'am that kanang thank you jud kaayo Miss for listening and for giving us advices and we will never forget you and Miss ako notebook Miss atong Guys, ayos sigla ko, Miss. Kailangan ko to. Bitaw, Miss. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. I love you. And, kantahan si ka itong imong favorite ka daw. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel good inside. Yan, huwag ka masalit si Bitaw, Miss. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Hi, Miss. Happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños. Wishing you all the best, Miss. You're so unfair. Nilakaw ka nga wala ng hit in which na sa amo kay mura ganahan jud ka nga magsika mi but ikaw kay wala ka na ng hit. I hate you, Miss. Kay basta lain kay ka nga wa ka man ng hit kana murag wala man lang mi ka say thank you nimo personally. Miss, thank you. Kabaw ka nga. I don't know if nakainomdom pa ka na ko, but during sa kana interview, ikaw ang na-interview na ko. Then, since first year, ikaw ang teacher, second year, third year. Murag kalig, karon na lang nga year, kana bisag iti ka under, kay murag, makita lang ka, so murag, murag sa pag-start na ko na ang kanya. Unfortunately, sa ending di ay kay wala ka. Thank you, Miss. I would like to grab this opportunity to thank you in behalf sa akong mga classmates. Kay, actually, Miss, we're not that close. Bisag 11 na may kabuo kay dagang away, but since sa imong class, kay murag dito mi nga ni open sa each other the activities, kanang naka-gain yung confidence, naka-learn yung value sa life, kanang you're not only just teaching literature, English, but you're teaching us life. Thank you, Miss, nga sa classroom setting, you are a teacher, and sa gawas, kay you are our friend. You're amazing. Sa namo na bantayan kay sa tanan nga teacher sa Cebu Normal, kay ikaw lang manawag. Naging na kami lecture, Miss, kanang we will miss that, Miss, kay bisag students kami, but ang imong tanaw na mo kay it seems that we're your friends. Then, we will miss your big smile nga maglakaw lang ka nga bisag makalimot na lang ka sa mga pangan sa dagan nimo kaila, but still kanang we really appreciate it, Miss. Then thank you. Then belated happy World Teachers Day. Kanang dugay na ta kung mag-greet nimo, then wala man ta magkakita ato. Thank you, Miss, sa akong life kay you touch me nga ikaw ang na-share na ka about ni Tooth. Na ni anak ka nga, let's see the waiting. Thank you, Miss, sa tanan-tanan. Then, I know nga, tuod, sakit siya sa mong part nga, wala nakatiri. Pero, I know nga, dugay na ni mga dream nga, mutay ka sa mong family. Then, kung asa na lang ka happy kay adto me, then, hopefully, Miss, nga years from now, kay dili gyapon ka kalimot na ko, then I would like to say nga you will always be part of our success sa mong life. Then thank you, then I salute you for everything. Hina? Konnichiwa, sensei. Genki desu ka? Hina, kanang happy birthday. Katiguang na ka. How sad of you. Kaya ka na. Really miss you here. Hope na you're happy there. As koan, kay kabitan ng diri. Kay sad ma kay may kinihawa ka. Pero, if happy ka, happy na sad me. And we love you. You'll always be here in my heart. And you've been like my sister, my family. Katong naapa ka here. Ikaw yun sa kay boss akong mga chika-chika, akong life. Then, wala, sudden kayo. Nakaw ka. May pahilakon. Wala ka gasusti, others. Pero, if happy ka, if that's what you really want, we'll support you. Then, hope na di mo kalimutan. And we will never forget you too. You're a good teacher. You're a good friend. Ay, wala na. I love you. I love you. Then, 気をつけてください。さよなら。